Hello dear traders and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover Euro versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the Euro versus US dollar first. So basically, the day after the ECB, which is basically today, what I found here is that market really struggled to go above and close above the declining 20-day moving average, which is this middle Keltner line. And basically, since the downtrend is still present mid-long term, even short term, so we can basically, from my perspective, I can see the euro to go further downside towards the 1 level or maybe even towards the 0.9960. So watch for potential selling opportunities. Seems like this is like a bear flag. We have the 2-day balance and now market already traded. We have a lower low and lower high so far today. So definitely potential for this bear flag to eventually do something similar like we had here when the market struggled to go above the 20-day moving average and then start a sell-off process. So watch for selling opportunities on the euro versus US dollar. Speaking of the gold market basically, to update on my previous forecast, this market basically reached the main target at 1680. But what happened here yesterday after the ECB is we had a big range, wide range reversal, we say this. This is an outside bar and basically the close is at the high. And market actually traded deep into the, at that point, previous day low and then got big reaction of the 1680. Obviously, lots of the traders and pending orders were triggered there on the upside in the market, and that resulted in this upside move. Because of this wide range reversal, there is a potential for at least some follow through. 1723 is the swing high on the daily, and then the declining 20-day moving average, and also cluster the swing highs in 1744. So, you know, intraday speaking and scalp speaking, because the wide range reversal, upside scalps opportunities and intraday might be in the play because we might see some follow through of this big wide range reversal bar. Speaking of the crude oil, still market is basically in consolidation. We still didn't test the 93 level or basically the low at 90.75, and we also still didn't clear 104.75. So my analysis from previous days basically remain same, and if we clear the low and we start to clear the pin bar low at 1955, then we can open the door for lower prices eventually from 85 mark or even 87 mark. If we clear the high at 104.90, we can open the door for higher prices in 111.50 or 113.50. So still not that clear. There's a rate of change flip to the upside here. Again, but overall it's in a consolidation. We have upswing, downswing, upswing, downswing, and we're in some kind of channeling mode, but key support is just around the corner. So watch carefully for the key pivot levels and price action around. And speaking of the Bitcoin versus US dollar, what we may have here is that market basically is building, as you see also on the daily, higher lows. And this was a first initial upside move, and we can see that market clear all previous swing highs, and yesterday's close in the middle. And there is a rate of change flip as well, so seems like there is a potential for the Bitcoin to continue at least to revisit 24,000 mark, and then even open the door for 25,000 mark or even higher prices. So watch for buying opportunities, because of this can be like a 2-day pullback. And we had a strong upside cycle. We took the previous swing highs, and it seems like there is a more potential for the upside. That'll be all for this session, guys, and for this update. I hope that you did enjoy, and as always, trade safe, guys, and have a nice weekend, and speak to you from next week, from Monday. Take care.